Today we are going to do exercise number 18 in unit 5, page 177. Now this is with regard to adjustment of goodwill. What is goodwill? We have already seen in unit 4. Okay, that is the reputation or good name of the firm which helps them to earn more profit. Now we are going to see how we are going to deal with goodwill when a new partner is admitted. When a new partner is admitted, he brings in cash for the goodwill that he is going to enjoy when he enters the firm. So we'll see how we are going to treat the goodwill. Sum number 18. Aparna and Priya are partners who share profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. Brinda joins the firm for 1/5 share of profit and brings in cash for her share of goodwill, rupees 10,000. Pass necessary journal entry for adjusting goodwill on the assumption that the fluctuation capital method is followed and the partners withdraw the entire amount of the share of goodwill. Now, in this, they say that the profit sharing ratio between Aparna and Priya is 3:2. So, 3/5 and 2/5 we have written here. This is the old profit sharing ratio. Okay. Now, who is admitted? Admitted Brinda. Now, Brinda, she is admitted for 1/5 share of profit. So, 1/5 share of profit. And she is bringing in, that is, Brinda brings her share of goodwill. Okay. Brinda brings, she is bringing cash. Okay. For her share of goodwill, and that amounts to rupees 10,000. Okay. Now here they have not given the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio is not given. When sacrificing ratio is not given, we assume the old profit sharing ratio as sacrificing ratio. Okay. Sacrificing ratio is not given. So assume old profit sharing ratio as sacrificing ratio. Okay. So let us see what is Aparna's share. That is 3/5. So 10,000. Now where did we get this 10,000? 10,000 is the amount of goodwill money brought by Brinda. So 10,000 into Aparna's share, old share is 3/5. So we assume that she is sacrificing ratio is 3 part. Okay. So 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6,000. Okay. Now Priya share 10,000 into 2/5. So 2 2s are 4,000. Okay. So we found out what is the amount of share. This 10,000 will be taken up by the old partner Aparna and Priya. Since sacrificing ratio is not given, it is assumed that they sacrifice in their old profit sharing ratio. Now let us see what are the steps in this sum. Okay, what are the various steps are there in this sum. First one, step 1 is goodwill brought in cash by new partner. First step. Sacrificing ratio not given. Okay, keep that in mind. Second one, we have to find the sacrificing ratio. Find sacrificing ratio. So what we assume? Assume old profit sharing ratio as sacrificing ratio. Okay. Third step, what we have to do in this step, the goodwill, divide the goodwill in sacrificing ratio to old partners capital account. So the old partner divide among themselves. Then what they do? Withdraw. Withdraw the goodwill amount by old partners. Okay. So these are the steps. First you see what is the cash brought in by the new partner. Second, see if they have given the sacrificing ratio. If sacrificing ratio is not given, then let us assume the old profit sharing ratio as the sacrificing ratio. Then that will be divided among the old partners. So it is divided among the old partners. Now this amount will be credited to the partner's capital account. After crediting it, then it will be withdrawn by the partners. So shall we go on to the journal entry?